guys, I'm back with one more video today. Today I'm with Pravlika. Hi Pravlika.
Hi Shaurav.
So today we are at Kondapur area as you can see, and we are at an apartment project which Pravlika is taking care of. So Pravlika, can you explain about this project?
Sure. This project located in Kondapur area. If you see the road also, it's a very wide road.
Exactly.
And this project is very close to SMR Vinaya Iconia. From here you can see the SMR Vinaya Iconia also. It's just 200 meters from this place.
Okay.
From here, my home Mangala is 500 meters only.
Okay.
RTO office is just 2 kilometers.
Okay. Fine. So now this elevation is it looks really beautiful, Pravlika.
Yes.
So it looks like, you know, Aditya. I have seen a lot of projects of Aditya. The
Yes,
elevation
yes.
is really beautiful. Nice. So shall we explore this project?
Yeah, please come.
Let's start.
You can see it's a kids play area. Entrance itself you can see this one.
Nice.
And it's a security room.
Okay. Nice. Good.
We are maintaining good green space also, green gardening and everything. You can see everywhere. Wherever we got little space, we are using that space for plants and greenery purpose.
That's true, I agree. And it is nicely maintained, I would say it's neatly maintained.
Yes.
This
And,
quite looks really good.
Coming to parking, it's a very good space for parking.
Yeah.
You can park easily one car and 2 bikes.
And there is a ground floor, underground
Yes, we
floor
have
as well?
cellar also.
Cellar as well, okay. Chalo, let's explore.
So you can see 2 lifts here.
Okay.
Each lift capacity is 4 to 5 members.
4 to 5 members.
So at a time 8 members can travel. And
Okay.
here we are planning one fountain model, or we are planning to keep one statue there.
Okay, it's like nice small garden kind of thing.
Yes.
Okay. Good. And I can see a small room there in the ground floor.
Yes,
What
we
is
are
that?
constructing clubhouse. It's like a mini function hall, I can say.
Mini function hall.
Yes, it's under construction. Maybe this month end that's going to complete.
Okay, so we'll complete this by month end.
Yeah.
And I can see on the 4 sides there are trees, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
This is the room we are planning for clubhouse or mini function hall. It's under
Okay.
construction. You can see here.
Okay. So I think the floor is pending.
Yes.
But that's a decent space. So that's the stage area, right?
Yes.
Nice. Pravlika, this is a ready to occupy project.
Yes, it's ready to occupy one. HMD approved and RERA registered project. Semi-gated community apartments. You can see that one.
Okay.
Oh, we are having 5 floors. Each floor 7 flats. Total 35 flats.
35 flats.
Yes.
And what is the SFT ranges?
Starting with 1200 and max size is 1600.
So 1200 is 2 BHK, 1600 is 3 BHK.
Yes.
Okay.
We have only 3 sizes: 1200, 1550, and 1600.
Okay. East and west both are available.
Yes, we have
East,
both.
west. So how many are like sold out already?
25 flats already sold out. We left with 10 flats.
And people are staying here already?
Yes.
Nice. So if you see, it is very neat and clean, and it is in a very prime location is what I can say.
Yes.
SMR is close by. You know, the main road, Kondapur road, is just 2 kilometers away.
Yes.
Nice location, you know. Shall we explore the apartment?
Sure.
Okay, let's explore.
Right now we are in first floor. This is the corridor. You can see the length, width of the corridor.
Okay, it's
6
around
feet.
6 feet, is it? Okay. And flat to
And
flat?
6 feet gap.
Okay, 6 feet gap, flat to flat. This is decent enough. Now, this is the flat we're exploring?
Yes.
Okay.
West facing 1550 SFT.
1550 SFT,
Yes.
okay. 3 BHK.
Yes. It's hall.
Nice. This is quite spacious and a lot of ventilation here. So, but yeah, this windows, Pravlika, this is a little old style, isn't it?
But as per the valuation which we have selected, these kind of windows only suits for that one.
Yeah, that's true.
If customer wants to change, they can go for that one. That's not much expensive to change.
I agree. This is quite spacious and I can see a lot of air flowing here.
It's a dining area.
Yeah, dining is really good. Nice. So
Open
even that is old style, but that, as you said, we can
Yeah,
use, we can
yeah.
change to UPVC.
But as per the valuation part, that only suits
That
for
suits
this one.
actually, I agree. So this is the common washroom.
Yeah.
This is one bedroom. This is the open kitchen. Nice, this is good. I like this.
Quite different rate. Nowadays, most people are going with UPVC only.
Yeah. Nice. So this is kitchen area.
Open kitchen, and that's the utility area.
Good. Nice, Pravalika. So there are 1, 2, and 3 rooms here, right?
Yes. That's locked.
It's locked, okay. And this room also has a washroom. So Pravalika, flat is good. We saw west facing as well as one east facing. So west we have recorded, and there are, as you said, there is a nice greenery all across the community. It's like a semi-gated community, is what
It's
I
a
see.
semi-gated one.
Okay, and there is security as well as the maintenance part taken care. And how much is the maintenance for these flats?
Right now, we are collecting 1,500 per month.
That's it.
That's
And 20 families are already staying, is what you said.
25 families.
25 are already staying here. That's really good. Nice location. So now it comes to paisa. Kitne mein milega? That's a very important question. Even my subscribers are keen to know. Like, so what is the price here, Pravalika?
Right now, we are quoting 6,500 per SFT.
Okay,
And
6.5.
6.5. And there is slightly negotiable.
Okay, slightly.
Slightly.
Okay.
And
Okay,
coming
6.5 slightly negotiable starts from 1200 SFT.
Yes, 2 BHK 1,200 SFT.
So approximately, if you tell me like what is the budget range, like minimum budget you should have to buy this.
Minimum budget should be 85 to 90 lakhs.
Okay, so somewhere around
Before
85 lakhs
bargaining.
before bargaining. Okay, so around
For 2
85 lakhs you
BHK.
can buy this.
Yes.
Okay, 2 BHK. Nice.
To amenities and car parking charges, we are collecting 6 lakhs.
Okay, so 6,500 per SFT plus
Yes.
amenities and car parking.
6 lakhs. And as I said previously, there is no GST, only registration charges we are collecting. There is no corpus fund, only maintenance. That too, once they get into the house, then only they have to pay.
That's it. Okay.
Right now, we are collecting only 1,500 rupees per maintenance.
Okay. Nice. I think nice project in a budget if you're looking. So Kundapur area, I think the rates are somewhere around 8,500,
Yes.
8,000. What's the rate surrounding here, Pravalika?
Surrounding here, based on the construction style, like I can say, like standalone, semi-gated, and gated. It's starting from 6,500 to we have till 15,000 also per SFT.
Yeah. So recently you recorded a video about Kundapur area.
Yes.
So if someone is looking for less budget, do we have options for them?
Yes, we do have options.
Okay. But this is 6,500 negotiable,
Yes,
slightly negotiable. Okay. So fine guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm sure you like this project, and thank you Pravalika for educating us. So guys, in the description box I'll give you number of Pravalika as well as I'll give you a Google form. Fill the form, someone from Pravalika's team will reach out to you. And if you're keen to buy this project, you can reach out to us, we'll help you. Yeah? Thank you so much. I'll see you soon with a new video. Till then, take care.